Hello viewers, today we will see the problem in laptop. The screen goes blank when you connect power adapter. The screen goes blank for a second or less than a second. So we will see what is the problem and how to solve this. So let's see what is the problem first. Let's see, I remove the plug and screen goes blank and comes again. Now let's plug in the charger. Screen goes blank and again it comes. So this problem is regarding the power adapter and display settings. So first I will show you how to solve this problem through first option. Now from here we will go to power option. You can see now from here you go to on battery. Here you see display refresh rate switching is enabled at 40 Hz. So we have to disable this option. Disable and click apply. Here see it says the new settings has been applied. Do you want to keep the settings? Yes. Close it. Now let's check it again. So now let's reverse and do it from other way. Now let's remove. Again let's connect it. Okay, now now from here let's go to display settings. From here you have to go to the end of the screen, advanced display settings. Here click display adapter properties for display 1. From here you have to go to monitor. Here you have to select this one. Okay, keep. Close. Now let's check. The problem is solved. You have to change the frequency in display settings.